to ScratchJr. We're going to press the up again. We're going to press the home button. And you see, this is the last project. All of our projects are saved. We've got cat again, but you can have another one. You can have tick, tack, tock, even fairy, wizard, anything you like. You can even have a birthday cake. But for now, I'm going to choose one of my favourite ones. It's the penguin. So you see, over here, you just hold a few seconds and then you see it's wobbling, and then you see a cross button. You press it, you don't have it anymore. As last lesson, this can also stay. All of them can also stay. As normal, we're going to get the green flag, but today you might be a little confused because we're going to do this. It's a jump, like jump. You don't need to move it or go like up and then down, but you just need to press this. And we're going to change this to 1. If you want to see 1 jump, press the green flag here. The more higher, the more bigger the number is, the more higher it can jump, like that. But then it goes all the way down again. For now, we're just going to put it back to 2. And we're going to press the forward one again. But also, this, we're going to learn a new one. This is repeat. Repeat means go all over again. Like, so imagine if it jumped, then it go jump backwards and stop there. You can see, like, when it's over here, it goes back. Something like that. And don't forget the scenery. Today I'm going to choose a beach. Even if penguins don't like beaches, you can even choose your own stuff. Then this white thingy, you just press it. And here's the green flag. It goes up, down, backwards. You see, stuff like this. It's really awesome. See you in the next video.